Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane Williams and Paul Mason.
I'm here with Keenan from Monash in the innovation space.
Yes.
Thanks for coming on the show, mate.
Nice to meet you, Paul. My name's Keenan Granland. I work at Monash Innovation Labs in Monash Smart Manufacturing. We are basically the centre point at Monash for industry to come on campus, where we have office spaces and wet labs, and we help support them with all this amazing resources as well.
Sounds like that's a place where all these SMEs walking around here want to go, right?
100%, yeah. And we offer the best graduates in Victoria as well through all these amazing programs, from industry partnership programs to doctorate programs as well. I got my PhD at Monash through these programs. Yeah.
Fantastic. Excellent. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the stuff you guys are working on?
Oh yeah, okay, of course. So my lab actually focuses around robotics, AI, and digital twins. So what we've got here today is actually just a quick little demo of how we can show everything being integrated together. So this here is just a telecentric lens which takes in parallel light, which we're actually using for our main QA and vision system. So I get my foot in the door with industry a lot with QA vision system projects, and then I typically take that further with robotics and AI and automation after we've got our confidence in our projects and team. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, we were just at Swinburne the other day looking at all their AI and manufacturing systems. Big focus on ML and vision systems and quality
100%.
controls.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm guessing that's kind of where things are with industry at the moment.
Yeah, I would say my goal with industry is to not intrude on their setup production lines. It's to provide support and information that they don't have access to at the moment. So that's typically, I find, the best way to start with automation and manufacturing.
Yeah, nice. I was stopped by the booth before, and someone was explaining this cool, train concept for the rail industry.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell us a bit about that?
Of course, yeah. So at Monash Innovation Labs, we support the Student Team Initiative. So that's all centred around different student teams that attend international competitions or have a specific goal. Yeah. One of these is called MREX. It's the Monash Railway Express team, supported by the Monash Institute of Railway Technology, IRT. But their goal is to build a miniature locomotive and ship that over to Europe to attend some competitions around miniature locomotives. So it's all about the optimization of energy usage, aerodynamics, and these actual train systems as well. So we're trying to provide a space for graduates to actually get in the area of trains and locomotives so that they're actually prepared for that industry when they get out of the university.
That makes so much sense. I mean, there's automotive engineering and there's all these specific courses for different areas, but trains and transport area, I don't think I've ever heard of anything like that before.
I think every university has a motorsports team. We're the first train team out of all the universities, so that's quite exciting.
Very cool. And I mean, especially with such a big rail industry here, light rail as well.
Exactly, yeah. It's always there,
Yeah. So if I'm a business coming to you and I'm like, I've got a problem, what kind of stuff, how does that work?
So everything from, we try to support students through programs where they can take on capstone projects, so like final year projects. They're supported by people like myself and other academics around Monash. Or we're looking for graduate programs to set up with other companies to place students in positions, or even doctorate programs as well. But largely it's all around industry projects and motivated industry projects where we can support them with researchers, academics and students.
So would you form a team that would sort of work on that problem?
Exactly, yeah. And one of those teams is a student team called Monash Automation, who is basically the lifeblood of my lab. I set up the lab, they help me do all the projects in that space.
Excellent. Sounds fascinating. All right, so all the businesses out there, get on down, talk to the Monash guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Excellent. Great to meet you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul, recorded on the traditional lands of the Bunurong and Wurundjeri people. For more information, jump on the manufacturingtech.au website. Remember to hit the follow button to join us again next time as we continue to explore the intersection of manufacturing and technology.